We are simulating a case of sinus lift with implant placement with a 3.8 mm diameter and a residual crest of 5 mm on a pig maxilla. We start off with Elevate 1 osteotome by positioning a stopper at 4 mm. The magnetic mallet force setting is 1. Once the stopper has reached its run, we remove the osteotome and place Elevate 2 osteotome. We then place the same stopper at the set working length, and we bring it to its desired length. So far, we have prepared 1 mm shorter than the residual bone, in order to limit the preparation below the sinus floor, which is still intact. After placing a Sponkston protection inside the implant tunnel, we replace the stopper on the last Elevate osteotome we want to use and bring it to length 5. If we have difficulties in breaking through the cortical bone, we can begin to increase the force setting of the magnetic mallet to 2. As you can see, the stopper has reached its length and there was a feeling of breaking through. We remove the osteotome and check with a blunt probe if the cortical bone has been broken through. Once the breakthrough has occurred, we check the integrity of the membrane with the probe. We expect to obtain a spring-back effect. Once the breakthrough has been carried out, we use the osteotome with which we have broken through the sinus floor, keeping the stopper as a plugger to position the material. Now that the sinus floor has been elevated at the desired height, we can safely place the implant, which will find expanded and condensed bone and benefit of a great primary stability. The Elevate kit consists of a practical tray, which contains 5 osteotomes and its millimeter stoppers. The first osteotome, Elevate 1, has a 1 mm diameter tip and a maximum diameter of 2.3 mm. The second osteotome, Elevate 2, has a 1.6 mm diameter tip and a maximum diameter of 2.6 mm. The third osteotome, Elevate 3, has a 2 mm diameter tip and a maximum diameter of 3 mm. Elevate 4 has a 2.3 mm diameter tip and a maximum diameter of 3 mm, while Elevate 5 has a 3 mm diameter tip and a maximum diameter of 3.4 mm. The osteotomes have a concave tip that allows maximum bone collection during coronal apical displacement. These are millimetric stoppers that go from 1 mm working length up to 13 mm working length and can be screwed using a ring nut system.